Hi everyone, I'm Andrea, a doctor of physical therapy, and today I'll be showing you how to correctly assemble your PELEGON toilet safety rail. One of the great features of this product is that no tools are needed for assembly, just the pieces from your package. If you suspect any parts are missing or damaged, please contact us at PELEGON Customer Support, and we'll promptly take care of it. So let's get started. Your package should include 2 large pieces that act as your toilet rail handrests, and 4 legs that look like this. You will also find 2 different types of bolts and 1 type of nut in the package. 1 bolt that looks like this, and the other like a half circle. There are 5 pieces of each bolt, 10 in total, and 5 nuts, but you will only need 4 for each for assembly. We provided extra pieces in case you need them in the future. Now let's begin assembling. First, open the handrest of the handrail until both holes are aligned so you can see through them. Notice there is a sticker indicating the parts that should face the wall. Next, insert 2 of the half-circle bolts into the appropriate holes, pressing until the pin goes all the way inside. You might need to wiggle the handlebar a bit during this process. Repeat the same steps for the other handlebar. Once both handlebars are prepared, connect them together until you hear the pin lock. Don't worry if the pin isn't locked in the correct hole yet, as you can easily adjust the width after assembly. The next step is to attach the 4 legs to the handlebars. Align the 2 holes on each leg with those on the handlebars. I find it easier to flip the handlebars upside down for better visibility when aligning the holes. Once aligned, secure the legs by attaching the leg bolt and flat screw to them, ensuring that the flat part of the bolt faces the screw. Once attached, turn the bolt clockwise to tighten. Repeat this for all 4 of the legs. You can adjust the height by pushing the pin inside and moving the 4 legs up or down to fit your toilet. You will hear a snap at an appropriate height, indicating that the leg is locked in place. For safety, ensure all legs are even and fully locked. The width can also be adjusted by moving the pin accordingly and listening for the snap to confirm it is locked. And that's all there is to it. I hope you find this video helpful for assembling your toilet safety rail. If you have any questions regarding how to use this product, please check out our instructional video on the PELEGON website. Bye-bye for now.